Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you all missed it, I did upload the new coupons and glitches video yesterday for you all. So make sure that you go and check it out because we have tons of overage and lots of great deals. So go check that one out if you haven't already. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. And please keep in mind that these markdowns will start on Tuesday, April the 4th. Alright guys, so this week at Dollar General, as far as the clearance and penny list goes, it is slim pickings. So we do have these St. Patrick's Day items. These were going down to 10 cents starting on Tuesday, April the 4th, which means that they will probably penny out next Tuesday. But I don't know what's going on. I still can't find any at any of my stores. So I'm not sure if just certain stores were carrying these items this year or what's going on with that. But anyways, be on the lookout. They're going to be just 10 cents. So a really good deal. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right into the penny list for this week at Dollar General. And unfortunately, it's Monday morning and we still haven't received a penny list. So I do not think that we will be getting one. However, if anything changes or if any surprise pennies pop up, of course, I will let you guys know. So make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. And I also want you guys to remember that just because we don't have a penny list for this week doesn't mean that we can't go penny shopping. We can go penny shopping any day of the week. Now, granted, when we have a new penny list, Tuesday mornings are the best time to go, but there are still penny items out there to be picked up, and I've been finding them all over here lately, especially the red dot home items. I even found some of the purple squared gift sets from back before Christmas, so they are definitely still out there to be found. Now, I also want to let you guys know that I am going to be putting together some visual videos for the upcoming penny list, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. And also, I have a huge remodel video coming up, and I cannot wait for you guys to check that out. I think it's going to be fantastic. So I went to my first remodel yesterday. It went great. I am so excited, and I have another one coming up here in a couple of weeks. So be on the lookout for that video. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have the good deals and glitch list video coming up next. Plus, we might be doing some P&G any day deals. So make sure that you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, and before you go, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.